इनडायरेक्टली इंडिकेट करता है कि ओनली फेयर पीपल आर लवली और डार्क स्किन पीपल आर नॉट सो लवली।
If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, like, comment and share.
Hello everyone, welcome to Goddess Speaks. In the last video, I explained to you what IMAGE stands for in image consulting and how important visual communication is. If you missed watching the video, then the link is shared on top here and also in the description box down below. Today's video, I will be talking about how you can reinvent your image and how your outer image has an impact on people around you. But you must remember that the most valuable asset is you and to make the best use of your image. Another word for image is personal appearance, and personal appearance is divided into three parts: clothing, which includes accessories, grooming, which includes hygiene, and body language, which includes etiquette. Personal appearance विश्व में एक controversial और emotional topic है और nobody likes to be pointed out their flaws with relation to their image. मैं आपको अब एक example देती हूँ. Even Fair and Lovely changed its name to Glow and Lovely because Fair and Lovely indirectly indicate करता है कि only fair people are lovely or dark skinned people are not so lovely and that fair people are the epitome of beauty. इसलिए इस मार्केटिंग कैंपेन को क्रिटिसाइज किया गया था फॉर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन एंड कलरिज्म. टू मेक योर पर्सनल अपीयरेंस वर्क फॉर यू, I will be sharing the 4A's formula with you: appropriate, authentic, affordable and attractive. The first A stands for appropriate. इसका मतलब है to be appropriately dressed according to the dress code. For example, आप किसी के वेडिंग में मिनी स्कर्ट पहन के नहीं जा सकते. The second A stands for authentic appearance. इसका मतलब ये होता है कि आपकी जो कोर वैल्यूज है वो आपको कन्वर्ट करने होते हैं इन योर पर्सनल स्टाइल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आप लॉयल हो, ट्रस्टवर्दी हो, कॉन्फिडेंट हो, ये सब कैरेक्टर्स आपके क्लोथिंग और पर्सनल अपीयरेंस के थ्रू दिखने चाहिए. द थर्ड ए स्टैंड्स फॉर अफोर्डेबल अपीयरेंस. ऐसा एक मिसकंसेप्शन है कि अगर आप रिच नहीं हैं तो आप अट्रैक्टिव नहीं दिख सकते हो, बट दिस इज रॉन्ग. आप एक बजट पे भी अच्छे दिख सकते हो, अट्रैक्टिव दिख सकते हो. You don't need to be rich to look good. You can look good on a budget too. The fourth A stands for attractive appearance. अभी इसके बारे में मैं क्या बोलूं? Obviously, everybody wants to look attractive, and there is no doubt about that. ये formulas explain करने के लिए मेरे पास आपके लिए एक स्टोरी है. I have a friend and we were fresh out of college. और तुरंत ही उसे मीडिया कंपनी में एक जॉब मिली. आप तो जानते हो कि मीडिया एजेंसीज में कल्चर बहुत कैजुअल होता है और क्लोथिंग सीन भी बहुत कैजुअल होता है. कुछ महीनों बाद माई ब्रिलियंट यंग फ्रेंड वॉज चोजन टू पिच एन आइडिया टू हिज सीनियर्स. इन द पास्ट जब मेरे फ्रेंड ने उसके सीनियर्स को देखा था प्रेजेंटेशन करने के वक्त, तब वो लोग बहुत कैजुअली ड्रेस होते थे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, खाकी पैंट्स, कार्गोज, वी नेक टी शर्ट्स, प्रिंटेड शर्ट्स. The day when he was to present his idea in front of the seniors, उसने भी कैजुअली ड्रेस किया था, जिसके वजह से he could not make an impression on his seniors and his idea was also taken very casually even though his idea was pretty solid. मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि my friend had newly joined the company और वो इतना established नहीं था जितना दूसरे seniors थे and he had to make an impact and impression on the seniors. That is why he should have dressed according to that. उसे ये समझना चाहिए था कि वो एक यंग पर्सन है और सीनियर नहीं है. ही इज नॉट द डिसीजन मेकर ऑफ द कंपनी. और मैं समझ सकती हूँ कि वो कंफ्यूज था क्योंकि एजेंसी का एटमॉस्फेयर भी बहुत कैजुअल था. सो आई वुड हैव सजेस्टेड हिम टू वेयर सेमी फॉर्मल्स. instead of going fully formal or fully casual when it comes to clothing. Now, the 4 factors, that is the 4A that I shared with you before, which is appropriate, authentic, affordable, and attractive, go hand in hand with the 5 W's, that is who, what, where, why, and when. According to the story of the media agency, my friend should have taken care of the 5 W's that I have just told you about. The first W being who. Who was he meeting? He was meeting his seniors and he was supposed to sell his idea to the seniors. But he could have used his asset, that is, his appearance, in a much better way to climb the career ladder. Second W. What? What was my friend's aim here? My friend's aim here was to make an impression to sell his idea to the seniors. But my question here is, was he dressed according to it? Now the next W is where. Where was my friend supposed to be meeting his seniors? He was supposed to meet the seniors at a place which was important, and important decisions were supposed to be made not only about the company but also about his future. इस सिनेरियो में मेरी फ्रेंड को क्या करना था? उसे एक लॉन्ग टर्म इम्प्रेशन और इम्पैक्ट जमाना था ताकि वो उसके करियर ग्राफ को पॉजिटिवली इम्पैक्ट कर सके. द लास्ट W stands for when. When generally means कि ये ओकेजन कब होने वाला है and that you are present and prepared for that occasion. Now, what I want you to do is, next time when you step out of the house, you need to ask yourself the 4 questions. Are you appropriately, authentically, attractively dressed according to your budget? And when will you be going to the occasion? Where will you be going? Who are you going to be impacting? Why are you doing what you're doing? Where will it be happening? And what you want to get out of this opportunity? So that is the activity that I have for you. Next time you step out of the house, answer these questions for yourself. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Until next time, tada!